Okay, this is my room cleaner program. So the purpose of this program is a lot of times I want a clean room, but like I'll physically do the work, but I don't want to put in the mental energy to figure out where things should go, and a lot of time that stops me from cleaning my room. So this is meant for I upload a photo and it will detect the items in the photo and tell me where to put it. And a lot of times cleaning the room is very overwhelming, so I used the slideshow inspired by like Quizlet because it just makes facts really easy because it's one fact at a time and it's in a slideshow format. So I wanted to integrate that into it. So it will give me the directions in a simple format. So let's say I wanted to upload this photo right here. This is my desk right here. As you can see, it's just my computer and just all the junk on my computer. So I would choose a file, which would be this one right here, and I send. And then now it gives me step-by-step instructions like in a slideshow. So it says step number 1, laptop, remove the laptop, and it says where to move it to. So now it says the bowl with the food, so it's talking about right here, this bowl right here. And take the bowl and the leftover food, so it's talking about that chicken wing right here. And then move to the sink. Spoon, which is the spoon right here in this photo. And then into the bowl. Mouse, the mouse is right here. Water bottle, which is my Stanley right here. Empty chip bags, my Takis bag right here. They were delicious. My red plush toy, which is this little red lobster toy that my brother got me on his Boston trip. Paper sheets, my geometry homework right here. So it says gather the papers into a neat pile or filing cabinet. So in that case, I would move it to my little drawer compartment that's in my desk. So as you can see, it's very simple. It breaks the cleaning process down so that way it is very much more simpler. So my hair clip right here, and all done. So now my desk will be nice and clean. So let's use another example. Let's say I want to do this one right here. So this is my friend's house, and this desk, as you can see, is very messy. There's lots of junk. So let's choose a file. This would be this one. So see how there's all these water bottles right here? It says water bottles, plate right here with the pizza, iPad right here, cloth, my microfiber, bags, tote bag right here, wallet, can't really see, but it's here somewhere, it's too dark, and the pens. So yeah, all done. And let's use another example here. This is my friend's dining table. We like to make nails for fun, so there's lots of nail polish right here, so we're gonna upload that. So item number 1, geometry notebook. That's right here. Bookshelf, stack of books right here. So there's plastic containers right here. So overall, like earlier, it just really simplifies everything a lot, and that's the purpose. So this is my first project, and